This is a refactoring tutorial about factoring or linking. Welcome to the world of holistic efficient solutions. As always, this video is uncut. We start from scratch, starting slowly. We're adding 2 more fields and the usual things like this and that. And then if we go to the configuration, let's start with the context menu on the quarter. You will see here factor out reference or link or factor in, which is currently disabled, but this we can do. And for that, let's create a table called quarters and a field in there that's called quarter, and let's just do that. And if we place that new table right beside this, we can see it over here like this. Now we did factor it out, and you probably already saw that. So those are reference cells and you see the different values inside there. Now we can also do it vice versa. We can also now do, since this is a reference cell, do the factoring in, which happens immediately, and the result is that it's looking like before without the references. You also see that the reference over there is gone, so that means those 2 tables are actually detached right now. They're independent, those tables. Now we could, for example, delete Q2 over there and then again click on the quarter and try to repeat things, factoring out. Actually, this is now more like a linking, because we already have a table we're linking to, and we also have the field we're linking to. It's not really a factoring out. And if we hit OK, almost nothing changes except that the Q2 that has been here has been appended over there, because it was missing the other fields. The other values have been there as well. Now you maybe remember that the sorting order in a reference field is used when sorting, so maybe you want to move that up for later usage, as it has been before when doing factoring out automatically. Yeah, so this is more or less what you already saw for factoring out and factoring in, or linking and unlinking. And of course, there is more to embrace, but that'll be another story.